Dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you guys about difference between hub versus bridge. The hub works on the physical layer. A hub transmits the data to each device connected to it. Also, it broadcasts the data. A hub is used as a central device for providing the connection among the various nodes. The hub is used as a connector of the LAN segments. A bridge is a network device that mainly operates at the data link layer of the OSI, Open System Interconnection model. The bridge is used for connecting to different LANs. I am telling about where and how it will be used. Dear friends, please watch my video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment on my video. Hub versus bridge. The crucial difference between the hub and bridge is that the hub works on the physical layer, but the bridge operates on the data link layer of the OSI model. Both hub and bridge serve the different purpose. A hub transmits the data to each device connected to it. It broadcasts the data. On the other hand, a bridge is more intelligent, which checks and filters data before forwarding it. This mechanism significantly reduces the network traffic and improves security. Hub connects to LAN segments, whereas the bridge can connect to different LANs. Definition of hub. The hub is also called as the multiport repeater, which transmits the amplified signal to each port, excluding the one from which the signal was received. A hub is used to link the networking devices physically for communication and successfully generate multiple hierarchies of stations. Hubs are unable to perform intelligent forwarding and process layer 2 and layer 3 information. It makes the decision on the basis of physical addressing instead of hardware and logical addressing. The hub cannot distinguish the type of the frame. That is the reason it forwards unicast, multicasts, and broadcasts to every other port except originating port. The multiple LAN cables are connected to the hub with the help of the RJ45 connector. These LAN cables can be at maximum 100 meters long to form a huge network of the enormous nodes. The hub can be linked in a hierarchical manner. The hub behaves as a linking device, which works in a half-duplex mode, where either transmission and reception of the data by the host is permitted at a time. Types of hub. Active hub. The active hub is one which provides the amplification and regeneration of the signals along with the connection. Passive hub. The passive hub works as a connector and connects multiple cables together, but there is no amplification and regeneration of the signal. Dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am telling about hub versus switch are networking devices which provide a mechanism to connect several devices in order to communicate with each other. However, the hub works on physical layer, whereas switch operates on the data link layer. The hub and switch are the networking devices, which appear to be similar and physically used as a star topology. This is the main difference between hub and switch. Dear friends, please watch my video till the end and subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment on my videos. Definition of bridge. A bridge operates on two layers of OSI, open systems interconnection model, that are physical layer and a data link layer. A bridge can divide a large network into smaller segments and is also used to connect to originally separated LANs. The purpose of a bridge is to transmit the frame between two separate LANs. When a bridge receives a frame, it regenerates the signal and checks the destination address of the frame and forwards the new copy of the frame only to the segment to which it belongs. A bridge does not broadcast the frame to all the stations. In the receiver segment, it only forwards the frame to destination receiver station. Working of a bridge steps. Let us understand the working of a bridge in the following steps. A bridge receives a frame which contains its destination address on it. A bridge maintains a lookup table which contains the physical address of all the stations that are connected to it. It compares the destination address in the frame with the addresses in the lookup table. If a match is found, then the bridge recognizes to which segment the packet belongs and forward the packet to its destination station. Types of bridge. Simple bridge. It is the least expensive bridge. Connects only two LANs. Addresses in the lookup table are fed manually. Maintenance is time-consuming than cost-saving. Multiport bridge. Connects more than two LANs. Transparent bridge. Dynamically builds its lookup table and keeps the table updating during its bridging operations. Key differences between hub and bridge. Number 1. A hub is used as a central device for providing the connection among the various nodes. On the contrary, the bridge serves the purpose of filtering and forwarding of the data in the network. Number 2. Hubs are of two types, active and passive, as against simple, multiport and transparent. Bridge, source, route are the three types of bridges. Number 3. Data filtration is carried out in the bridge, while it is not performed in the hub. Number 4. Hub uses multiple ports while the bridge employs a single incoming and outgoing port for the specific data. Conclusion. The networking devices hub and bridge are intended to do different functions. Where the hub is used as a connector of the LAN segments. On the other hand, the bridge is used for connecting to different LANs. Dear friends, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment on my video. I will keep making these types of useful videos in future. So stay connected and make sure to subscribe. My channel is growing continuously due to your support. Thank you.